What's up, guys? Good morning. Boy, it feels like a Monday. It's only a Tuesday. That's what happens when you go away. Do something on the weekend and you come home and your days just feel weird. Anyways, I am up here. Well, we're just doing a little bit of running around and actually doing some testing this morning. We're up here, I'll show you here. We're at the Markway Mall here. Luda's inside the bank using the ATM. Like I said, I'm doing some testing. I couldn't wait till Christmas to open it, so I just opened it up. I could have done a whole unboxing and everything like that, and no need to when everything is done a million times on YouTube about this product. But I bought the Rode Wireless Go 2 microphone system, and getting ready to leave here. And I got one clipped on me. Look, say something.
Hello.
Look's all the way over there.
Hi everyone, we are here at Market right now. As I said, you see there's a big mall at my back.
And she's got one on too. So we're just out testing this. I want to see how well it works. Here, hold that. Like I said, it was for Christmas, but I couldn't wait. I couldn't wait, so I'm like, let me break this thing out. Let me give it a try. I don't know where we're going now. I think we're going up to the market. Ice for sale.
Sisig to ate.
What do you got? Look.
Huh? Ano? Yes. Sisig.
Oh, sisig?
Is that sisig? Yeah, sisig. So, tapos this is vegetables.
Vegetables with little shrimp in there.
Oh, kare-kareng seafood.
Kare-kareng seafood?
Yeah. This is pumpkin.
What's that, root crops?
No, it's a pumpkin.
Oh, a pumpkin. Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
And green beans,
yeah.
yeah.
And then this here is
chicken.
Type of chicken.
Adobo or aplitada.
Yeah, what else?
This one here is tilapia.
Tilapia.
Paksiw. Tapos, this one here is bistek, Tagalog.
Beefsteak, Tagalog.
Yeah.
What else you got there?
And this one here is a squid.
That's squid.
Yes.
And then
That is pancit.
pancit. And then you got some eggs, some
Better
fish,
melon hot dogs.
some red hot dogs, and you got some
lumpia.
lumpias.
And this is ubi.
Yeah.
This
ubi.
is just a snack after you eat.
Yeah.
Tapos ano po?
But it's like right here in your little house. All right, guys. So there's always people out there that want to say you can live here in the Philippines for a few $100s a month or $800 a month, US dollars that is. Can it be done? Sure, it can be done, but you're going to live and you're not going to enjoy your stay here in the Philippines. You're not going to be able to travel. You're not going to be able to enjoy. Enjoy is the key word, your stay here. Can it be done? Yes, you're going to live like most of the, I wouldn't know if it'd be most, but you're gonna live barely survive it. With that being said, let me show you the food here that Lut got at the little calendaria. I know somebody will say you're pronouncing it wrong. Oh well. Let me show you here quick. This is what Lut picked up here. You got the squid, sisig, little fish head. I think that is some type of pork, and I'm not sure what that is. And she got 3 bags of rice. This is a meal probably all day. For one single guy, you could eat this, but this is what you're going to be eating. You're not going out and getting steaks, and you're not going out and getting, Jollibee every day. You're not going out eating in really nice restaurants every day on a low budget. But this is what it looks like. This is what you're going to be eating. Like I said, a single guy, that's maybe a whole day meal. Breakfast, lunch, dinner. Of course, depends how big you are too. If you're a big guy, that might last you one meal. That whole setup right there, those dishes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 separate dishes and rice, was 200 pesos. That's about $4. So can you feed yourself here in the Philippines for $4 a day? Sure you can. You could even get food cheaper than that. But that's what you're going to eat. That's going to be your meal. If you fall for the guys that tell you, yeah, you can live here on $600, $700, $800 a month. That's what you're going to be eating. All right, guys, so what better way to check out this microphone than to come up into an area where there's constant noise? I don't know how this is going to do, if it's going to pick up a lot of the background noise, but we're going to find out tonight. Another experiment. Continuing on with my experiment, Christmas has come early. Playing with my new toy. 50.10 is the exchange rate. I'm right here. Here's your jeepney terminal. There's your little market. I'm gonna go on this side of the road tonight. I am shooting in 4K, 30 frames per second. I got my stabilizer on, so hopefully that'll stabilizer will work out. But I was out earlier and we were, when we went on that trike ride, and the noise coming off the trike was so loud I couldn't even use that footage. Here's a chariot. We'll walk this side tonight. I always walk the other side. Figure let me go on this side. Okay. Hello, no chicken, no thank you. He's got his chicken going in there, huh? Ah, smells good. Smells good. What?
It's on inasal.
On inasal. What is this over here, Lut?
Mommy.
Mommy. Yeah. I'm the only one with the microphone on. Lut does not have a microphone on. You can use 2 mics, you can use 1 mic. So I figured, let me do the one. There's a separate setting for just 1 microphone. It's all your knockoff products through here. Somebody was saying that certain hats are hard to come by now. Over there is your margarita station. Where do you get your nails done? Where do you get your nails done? Down further? Well, it always brings the girls up on this part of the city here, and they get their nails done at one of the salons here. It's actually pretty quiet on this side of the street tonight. All this here through here is all part of CDC, the Clark Development Center. What is that hanging up? What is that? Oh, that's part of decoration, I think. Yeah. Decoration. Yeah, decoration. Like Christmas decorations. Yeah. Caught my eye. Yeah. Over there, Rainbow KTV upstairs. You gotta look up sometimes around here to see what's going on. Hello. Yeah, you gotta look up because there's establishments on top of the buildings on the right-hand side. All right. Hello, Kuya. Fish balls. What's my channel? Philly in the Philippines. You gonna subscribe?
Yeah.
All right. Thank you. It's got like a little store right here on this trike. Yeah, balut. Yeah, no balut. This guy's got a little barbecue right on the back of his cart. He's got a bicycle here with a barbecue rack. He's got this shield up here so he don't melt anything. The old red hot dogs. His little setup. Inventive. That's a low-cost setup there, right? Look, no gas, just pedal power. All right, buddy. Pedal power all the way. I think I lost Lut. Oh, there she is. One of these, isn't it, Lut? Down further. Oh, all right. Park further. These are all closed, probably only open during the day. A lot of hair places, nail places, all up this section here. Here. Oh, that one back there. Oh, all right. That's the one Lut always goes to. Look at the girls. Shoot across the road there. Huh? Yeah. All the way across the street, she was hiding behind a pole, waving at us. Here's our shawarma. They're open. Best shawarma around. Best shawarma around. They open up 4 o'clock or 2 o'clock, something like that. They changed their hours and they're open late at night. And I tell you what, when you've been drinking, you come up there and grab one of them shawarmas. Oh man, it just fills up your belly. All right, guys, you can see me. I'm standing out here. I'm going to test the distance here to kind of see how far I can walk and transmit from me to the camera away. This is just part of the testing. So I'm gonna kind of walk over here by Club Sky. Just look around. Look at Santa Claus. What do you got here?
Yeah, I just want to take a picture of this. I'll give you 20 pages.
Oh,
Okay.
all right, they're promoting something here. You guys can't see it, but this is there's a new toy store, adult toy store that opened. There's a new adult toy store that opened up down at the end of the road here, and they're going around selling their products. Guys, they're looking at me like I'm crazy. I think I'm crazy talking to myself.
Yeah.
I have a camera over here, and I'm trying to do a test to see if I can broadcast to my camera. Thought I was crazy, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, I get that.
Okay.
All right. That guy, yeah, he thought I was crazy talking to myself. Because all he seen and heard was me talking, and the girls even standing there, they're looking at me and they're like, is this guy just talking to himself? Is he nuts? What's going on with him? So anyways, guys, I could stand back here and I could talk to you guys. This is what I I got a lot of good ideas coming up with interviews and different things like that. But this is my new Christmas toy. I'm breaking it out to play and testing it out. So hopefully when I get home, everything works great. So with that being said, we'll talk to you guys later.